Fall. Got it. Going fishing. Ooh, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look. Hey, look at it. Look at it. Hey. We're going fishing. Some bait. Are we ready to go fish? You having fun, babe? Honey. Babe? You having fun? What? Whoa, you gonna look back? Why? But babe, I'm your baby.
I break babies down.
You break these babies down? That's the only thing that works for you, so that I don't leave any marks on you when I beat you. You know? So nobody can tell, so I don't go to jail. Who? John Skinner is full of crap. John Skinner on YouTube is full of crap apparently because we can't catch shit. Look at this. He did. That was so upsetting. Didn't catch shit. Look at that view though. That sun is so bright. I'm waiting for it to go down. This time I'm not gonna miss it. Every time I tell myself that, and it's literally 10 seconds and it's gone down. I'm not missing it this time. The view of the day, you know. Pack. So packed. And baby over here fishing and getting the suntan at the same time.
I'm burned.
You will burn.
Freaking white.
Do you want your hat? Wearing his hat. He let me wear his coat.
Somebody ate my tail.
See, it means somebody's out there. Ready to be caught. Let me see.
There's supposed to be a paddle right there.
Crap. Baby. It means it's working. Apparently you might not be full of shit. Whoever John Skinner is on YouTube. How come those birds can catch fish and we can't catch shit? How's that fair? Huh? Line fishing? Maybe we need to invest in those glasses, babe. Huh? It's not let us know whether or not we're just throwing bait out there where there's no fish. Well, I would like to invest in glasses. He doesn't want to, but I do. So if I want a good deal, I'm getting it. What pier is this one? St. Pete? Sky Pier? Skyway. What's the smell? Do you smell that? Oh my gosh, it's gasping. I'm like, what is that smell? should probably stop talking because I can taste it. Ugh. So gross. My poor baby is a bird. I say you're a bird. That get darker.